Hello, moneymakers. Do you think a new motivational channel can earn more than 4 million views in 8 months, gathering over 88,000 subscribers? My brother is a big fan of motivational books and videos, and he often complains that all the new inspirational videos look the same, reiterating the cliché advices. But a couple of days ago, one channel suddenly stopped its scroll. When he showed it to me, we were both overwhelmed, because this channel just did it in real life, just by using AI. The channel so far has uploaded fewer than 50 videos. That's it. Their top video alone has crossed 2.2 million views in just 6 months. And all the videos are just AI generated in a specific niche, focus and productivity content. The kind of stuff that helps students and young adults actually sit down, lock in, and get their work done. Now, why is that niche working so well? Because attention is the most valuable thing in the world right now, and people are desperate for help keeping theirs. That's a massive, hungry audience just waiting for content that speaks to them. But does that mean everyone working in this niche is getting the same success? Absolutely not. What really sets this channel apart is not just the niche, but its presentation. Play any video and the freshness is instantly noticeable. Every frame is a still image, yet it feels like a sequence of extremely detailed hand-drawn illustrations placed one after another. There's no animation, flashy colors, or aggressive editing, just black and white imagery with incredible detail. And occasionally, a small highlight appears to draw your attention to something important or to make a single object stand out in the entire scene. That's it. This minimalist visual style, combined with a clear and relatable script, is exactly what makes this channel stand out. So, in this video, I'm breaking down the entire system. From picking your channel topic, to generating video ideas, writing scripts, producing the video with AI, and even designing your thumbnail. Step by step. But remember one important YouTube rule. You can take inspiration from another channel, but you can never create a Xerox copy of their content or style. As mentioned earlier, this channel discovered a unique visual angle, and it quickly became a viral hit. But if you apply the same idea and recreate the same visuals, people will immediately recognize your channel as a copy. And in most cases, that approach won't go viral or bring long-term success. Instead, the goal is to borrow the core idea and add your own twist. The aim is to create a version that is either better or at least different from the original. And no need to thank me for this. Just subscribe to this channel and share this video instead. Now let's grab a cup of coffee and let's get started with the procedure. You wouldn't build a house without a blueprint. Unless you enjoy walls that open into closets and stairs that lead to the ceiling, content creation works the same way. And yet, most people just wing it. Here's what the average person does when they decide to start a YouTube channel. They think of a topic off the top of their head, maybe Google it once, and then just start recording or scripting without conducting serious research on whether anyone actually wants to watch that content. And then they're genuinely confused when the video gets 43 views in 2 months. Successful creators do something very different before they ever create a single video. They rigorously research, figuring out what's already working in their niche. They look at what's getting views, study the patterns, and find the questions people are asking that nobody's answering well enough yet. Basically, they do the boring work up front so the fun work, the creating, actually pays off. But here's the thing. You don't have to spend hours doing this manually. You need a system that starts with a solid foundation of pre-tested topic ideas that already have proof of concept before you even open a script doc. I've already done a big chunk of this work for you. I've built out a document with structured topic prompts designed specifically for this niche. To get this, just check the link in the description. But before we dive in, I want to quickly tell you about my exclusive school community. Inside, I share premium resources, proven prompts, step-by-step systems, and insider strategies that I don't share anywhere else. You'll also get direct access to me, weekly live calls, and a network of creators who are building channels just like you. If you're serious about growing faster and don't want to waste months figuring everything out alone, this community is the shortcut. You can find the link in the description and join today for $199 only. Once you've got that prompt, paste it into ChatGPT. The free version works perfectly fine. Replace the placeholder with however many topics you want, let's say 20, and hit enter. You'll have a list of ready-to-use video ideas in seconds. Then pick the one that makes you think, yeah, people would actually click on that. Because if you're not genuinely interested in the topic yourself, your audience definitely won't be. And once you've picked your topic, you're moving straight into the part that can make or break your entire channel. And it's not what most people think it is. Your script is the heartbeat of your video. If it's weak, nothing else you do matters. I don't care how good your visuals look or how clean your thumbnail is. A bad script kills channels, period. But writing scripts from scratch every single time, ensuring a great quality, is a more daunting task than you can imagine. Because it's not only about information stacking, but also about emotional balance. Most of the time, writers keep wondering, should this be funny? Should it be serious? How long should it be? Should I explain everything in detail or just keep it snappy? And before you know it, you've been sitting there for an hour, and all you've written sounds like a high school essay you didn't really care about. I've been there multiple times, and the worst part is, you know it sounds bad, but you're too deep in to fix it. Now you might be thinking, okay, just use AI to write it. And yes, that's exactly what I'm telling you to do. But here's where people go wrong. They throw a topic at ChatGPT with zero structure and expect it to spit out gold. What they get instead is a script full of words like tapestry, alternatively, and in conclusion. Phrases that sound like a robot trying to sound professional. It's painfully obvious, and viewers check out immediately. The fix is in the prompt. AI writes like a human when you tell it how to write like a human. And I've already built and tested a custom script prompt that does exactly that. It avoids all the robotic filler, keeps the tone natural, and creates something that actually sounds like a real person wrote it. It's in the same document as the topic prompts. Just copy it, paste it into ChatGPT or Claude AI, swap out the placeholder with your chosen topic, and you'll have a full, well-structured script in seconds. Then go through it. Add your own phrases, cut anything that still sounds stiff, and make it feel like you. That human touch is what separates content people scroll past from content they actually watch. Now, here's the thing. There's actually a smarter way to do all of this. One that skips the back and forth entirely and handles the script and the video at the exact same time. And once I show you this, you'll wonder why you'd ever do it any other way. What if instead of writing your script first and then making your video, you could do both at the same time, on one platform, in about 10 minutes? That's not a dream. That's Golpo AI. Look, most AI video tools are good at one thing and clunky at everything else. You write your script somewhere, export it, paste it somewhere else, pick visuals manually, edit things back and forth. And before you know it, your quick AI video took 3 hours and still looks mediocre. It's frustrating. Golpo AI was built to eliminate that whole problem. Everything lives in one place. You've got a text area where you either let the AI generate the script from scratch or paste in your own. You can upload PDFs if you want the AI to pull from specific research or reports. You control the voice style, the video length, the background music, the aspect ratio, and even the language if you're targeting a specific region. What I really like is that you can tell it exactly how long you want the video to be. 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes. And it delivers exactly that. The result is genuinely professional. Not pretty good for an AI-type professional, actually professional. And when you compare that to hiring someone on Fiverr or Upwork to write, voice, animate, and edit your video, which would cost you at least $200 per video and take days, Golpo AI starts looking like the obvious choice. But knowing the tool exists is only half the battle. The real value is in knowing exactly how to use it the right way. And there are a few settings in here that most people completely miss, and they matter more than you'd think. Most people open a new tool, click around randomly, hit generate, and then complain that the output is bad. Let me save you from being that person. When you first log into Golpo AI, you'll see a workspace with a big text box at the top labeled Prompt Content. Now you've got 2 ways to go. You can either let the AI write the script from scratch, or you can paste in a script you've already written. If you're going the AI route, which is honestly the fastest path to your first published video, just type in your topic. The AI is smart enough to build a full script from that alone. But before you hit generate, there are a few settings you need to pay attention to. First, make sure audio only is unchecked. That's for podcasts, not YouTube videos. Second, make sure the box that says edit script after generation is checked. This lets you review and tweak the script before the video gets made. Third, make sure color is checked unless you're going for a black and white look like our reference channel. I will go with the colored version because that will make our visual stand out. For music, since the reference channel we're modeling doesn't use background music, select None, because our reference channel never uses any music. Now it's time to choose your video length. 1 or 2 minutes is fine if you're just testing. Pick your voice, your orientation, horizontal for long-form YouTube, vertical for shorts, and select your language. For style, I will first select the Gulpo Canvas option, and then, in the Style menu, I will select the Editorial option. This is the closest output you will get to our reference channel videos, but better, because it will come with smooth animation instead of still images. And I will leave the pen-in-hand animation as none. Finally, hit Generate Video, and about 10 minutes later, you'll get an email notification when Gulpo AI will not only generate a script, but also create a complete video on it. And it's going to look way more polished than anything you thought you could make on your own. But what if you already have a script generated by Claude or ChatGPT? No worries. Just click on the Script mode first on the top right panel. This tells the AI that you already have a script, and Gulpo AI only needs to take care of the rest. It creates a space for you to paste the script. And after that, the rest of the video creation process is exactly the same as before. But don't think that just because the AI is giving you a ready-made video, you have no control over it. If you don't like any part of the output, you can simply go back into the library, click on any scene you don't like, type what you want changed, and regenerate just that one scene. Now, if you are wondering about its price, honestly, a tool this efficient doesn't break your bank. The business plan costs $499 per month, but delivers massive value. It provides 390 minutes of video generation, more than double the growth plan, which offers 150 minutes for $199. It includes advanced tools like frame-by-frame editing through prompts, voice cloning, using custom audio such as 11 Labs, screen recording for product demos, inserting personal images, and generating videos directly from scripts or instructions. Each video can be up to 10 minutes long. At first glance, $499 may sound expensive, but it removes the need for editing skills, production time, or hiring freelancers totally. Work that often costs hundreds or even thousands of dollars per video on freelance platforms can now be done in minutes using one tool. The best part is that right now there's no single platform that combines all these capabilities in one place. But let me tell you, video creation is only part of the equation. There's still one last step that most people ignore completely, and it's quietly costing them thousands of views every single time they upload. Your video could genuinely be amazing, and it still won't get watched if your thumbnail looks like everyone else's. That's not an exaggeration. It's just how YouTube works. Think about it from the viewer's perspective. They're scrolling through a sea of thumbnails, and they're making split-second decisions about what to click. If your thumbnail blends in, if it looks generic or boring, or like it took 30 seconds to make, they move on. They don't even consciously register why. They just scroll past. Meanwhile, a creator with a weaker video but a sharper thumbnail is sitting at 10,000 views while you're stuck at 50, genuinely confused about what went wrong. I see this all the time. But the good news is, you don't need to be a graphic designer or know anything about Photoshop to fix this. You just need to know how to prompt an AI image generator the right way. And just like with the script and the topics, I've already built that prompt for you. It's in the same document. Copy the thumbnail prompt, paste it into ChatGPT, and replace the placeholder with your video topic. ChatGPT will spit out a detailed image generation prompt specifically designed for high-performing thumbnails. Take that prompt and paste it into your image generator of choice. Personally, I use Whisk AI with the Nano Banana model. It's fast, and the quality is solid. But use whatever works for you. Just make sure you select the 16:9 aspect ratio before you generate. If your channel has specific brand colors, add them to the prompt before generating. Maybe your color is red. Just tell the tool you want the main elements in red. These small details are what separate channels that explode from channels that quietly die. But if you nail your title, your thumbnail, and your first 10 seconds, the algorithm will do the heavy lifting for you. Now, there's one more thing I want to cover. Something that ties the whole system together and tells you exactly what to do next. So this doesn't just stay a video you watched and forgot about. Most people who watch tutorials like this one will do absolutely nothing with it. I'm not saying that to be harsh, it's just statistically what happens, and I think you deserve to know. Look, we've covered a lot of ground together. You've got the research system, the topic prompt, the script prompt, the Gulpo AI workflow, the thumbnail process, all of it. And honestly, it's a complete working system. But a system only works if you actually use it. The difference between the creators winning right now and the ones still watching tutorials 6 months from now isn't talent or equipment or connections. It's execution. They started, published something imperfect and repeated the process, and eventually the numbers started moving. And here's something worth knowing. Before we move ahead, let me be very clear about one thing. Everything you are seeing in this video, you can do it yourself. That is why I'm explaining the full process openly. But I also know the reality. Not everyone has the time. Not everyone wants to deal with tools, prompts, testing, and mistakes. And not everyone wants to wait months just to understand what actually works. When I started, I thought doing everything alone was the only option. I watched tutorials. I tested ideas. I failed more times than I can count. What slowed me down was not knowledge. It was execution. That is why I created my Done For You program. If you want, you can hire me and my team to create videos for you. We are already running 10 to 20 YouTube channels, and AI Maskman is one of them. These are real channels, real uploads, real results. Instead of you figuring everything out, we handle the work for you. We help you choose the right niche, set up your channel properly, create videos in formats that are already proven, and build a system that can scale over time. I have added a link below where you can book a free call with me. We will talk, understand your goal, and see if this makes sense for you. No pressure, no fake promises. Now let's continue with the video. Generate a topic today. Write or generate a script, run it through Gulpo AI, make the thumbnail, and upload it. Your first video doesn't need to be perfect or go viral. It just needs to exist for you to start. That's the only rule. And let me know in the comments what other niches you want to learn a framework on, so I can bring you that tutorial for you. And to get more valuable tutorials like this, subscribe to this channel and keep following our work. See you soon.
The first $25,000 feels impossible, and that feeling is normal. It is not because you are bad with money, and it is not because you do not understand investing. Early on, you are fighting gravity. When savings are low, you are not really building wealth yet. You are plugging leaks. A car repair, a medical bill, a slow month at work can wipe out months of effort. Those shocks get paid with credit cards, fees, or delays, which push you backward. The math is working against you. Paying 20% interest while hoping for 7% returns is like walking up a down escalator. Low savings also make life more expensive. You cannot buy in bulk. You finance things you should not. You miss discounts and you pay late fees. That is not a character flaw. It is a liquidity penalty. Being broke costs more. Then there is psychology. Financial stress forces your brain into survival mode. You cannot plan 5 years ahead if you are worried about next month. Losses feel terrifying. A $500 drop when you have $2,000 saved feels catastrophic. So people delay investing or pull out at the wrong time. On top of that, early compounding is invisible. 7% on $5,000 is about $30 a month. It feels like nothing. Around $25,000, gravity weakens. Emergencies stop being existential. You can absorb hits without borrowing. You get time and space to think. Decisions become strategic instead of reactive. Compounding becomes noticeable. At that point, money starts helping you. By $100,000, momentum takes over. Market movement shows up in real numbers. Income is usually higher. Systems like automation and retirement accounts actually work because you're stable. Progress stops resetting. So the first $25,000 is hard because it's mostly behavioral and structural. After that, the same effort suddenly goes farther, and the boulder finally starts rolling.